Morning, guys. I'm cooking. I'm watching Go Snow. It's one of the YouTubers who sells stuff. Kymmy is crashed out on the lounge. Poor bugger. She didn't get here till like 7:30 last night. Another, I don't know, 14-hour day for it. All right, so I'm doing something a bit different today. I'm cooking up a bit of tomato to start with. Okay. That's ham in there. We'll throw another tomato in here. So we're going to surprise Kymmy with some brekkie. Isn't that nice? I'll throw this bit down the bin. Oh, lamingtons. Not having breakfast. So this in here, I've got some salami. This one here, I got some ham. A toast ready to go. So instead of making sandwiches, I'm going to do like on top. I like using this bloody cheese spread instead of cheese sometimes. Tomatoes are going to take the longest. So I'll put the lid on there for a minute. I'm going to cut some of this ham up. That was just the tomato juice that I had. Just cut it like that. I love the salami when it's cooked. Same with pepperoni. Like, you even put it in the microwave, like it shrinks up, and it seems to get hotter. The pepperoni. Salami not so much, but I don't want as much as this. I'm just spreading this. It's going to go into the fry pan. This quick, won't take long. Cook this 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's one piece on each one. That's all we need. Right, this can go on already. Because, hang on, I turned it off. That's right. I know what I'm doing. I know what come on. There you go. It says I'm stupid. Alright. I like these soft, it sort of adds to it. Alright. Some salami, my bacon. Or ham, I should say, not bacon. Oh, from a pig butt, eh? From a pig to a pig. I'm a pig. I do a lot of snorting when I laugh, don't I? One sort of whinges about. Only one way to cook. On high. I'll put that on for a sec. A couple of plates. We generally use plastic plates in this house because, again, it's probably the best thing. Make sure I can get that lid off. Yep. Okay, what else do we need here? Fork. Knife, already got that knife. I'm going to put out some salt. Where's that pepper gone? Where's that pepper gone? Ground pepper. Tomato sauce. Oh, that's getting low. Okay. Is Kymmy sleeping? I just woke her up. That's not fake. That's how she wakes up. Oh, no. They know you're asleep, but I'm making brekkie. No, I didn't hear. I got Go Snow on the telly. He's doing like a game show, not a game show, a bloody, selling his shit at one of them,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm doing something a bit different here. You want a coffee or a cold drink, or what do you want? Water? I'm gonna have a water. Actually, I might have a yeah, a water. Tap water because we don't care. Babe, grab one. Grab one. Can you put that on the table? I'm going to mix it all together. I should have put some bloody mushrooms in, but otherwise it's going to be too big. I got mushrooms too. Should I do mushrooms? Nah, bugger it. I need a normal spoon. Butter my bread. How's this looking? Oh, that's good. We'll make this one Kymmy's because Kymmy likes hers done a bit darker. And that one was a bit darker. What you doing, Kymmy? I like this cream cheese on the bottom. What? Who?
It smells yummy.
What?
It smells yummy, babe.
Oh, smells. God, I had no idea what you said. I'm losing my mind, guys. So I might take this over here. Where's my tongs? That's going to be better. They can get turned off because otherwise I'll bloody forget. That's about it. Shall I put the pepperoni on top like the other one so it looks good? And the tomato. What do you think? That's Kymmy's. Let's do mine now. And some tomato. Where's my scrapey scrapesmans? Scrapey McScrape. Tomato. Always trying to put water in your thing. Oh, I didn't use Jake's thing today. That's just the one that was in front of me. Alright, these are going to go back in the fridge. There's some yummy cake in there too. Oh. We're not having cake though. All right. Here we go, my lady.
Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, looks yummy.
So I'm going to have to rewind this because I haven't watched it.
Okay, whatever.
You haven't watched it anyway, have you?
No.
I was up to about there. All right, that's it. Say thank you for breakfast.
Thank you for breakfast.
We might have to do some work later. I don't know. Depends if it's going to rain. All right, see you guys. Watch this.